Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to create interactive polls in WhatsApp groups. So first of all, if you're using iOS, just go ahead and open up the WhatsApp and then go ahead and enter the group. Let's say for example this group, and then just basically tap on the attachment button at the bottom left right here, and then you're gonna see poll, right? And then enter your question and the options for the poll. You can add more options if needed, and then tap send and share the poll with the group. If you're using desktop, open the WhatsApp or WhatsApp web or desktop and go to the group chat. Click on the attachment icon, paperclip icon, select poll, and then enter your question and options, and then click send and publish the poll. And note, polls can have multiple options and members can vote by selecting their choice. Poll results are visible to all participants in the group. Enjoy engaging with your groups. Enjoy engaging your group with polls. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.